Welcome back, students of 7th class. This is mathematics lecture, friends. So in this session we will cover a couple of questions of exercise 11a. This is chapter 11, profit and loss. So friends, let's get started without any delay. 11 question number 11 says, on selling a watch for rupees 11,400, a shopkeeper loses 5%. For how much did he purchase it? Friends, we have to find here the CP. First, whatever the given, write down. Okay, so SP is given, friends. SP is equal to 11,400. This is SP. And now loss is given 5% loss. Now we have to find this CP. Okay, friends. Now SP is equal to, friends, what formula SP is equal to? If SP loss and CP is given, the SP could be written as CP minus CP into loss. This is loss, friends. That means 5%. So this is CP is what? SP is given, friends. Why? Because, friends, loss or profit depends upon CP. This is why this loss will withdraw from CP. This loss will deducted from CP. हमेशा लॉस या प्रॉफिट जो भी होगा वो CP में होगा, इसलिए लॉस जो भी होगा तो CP में लॉस होगा, या प्रॉफिट गेन होगा तो CP पे. ओके, नाउ SP is equal to given, friends, 11. This is 400. Now here the CP is what? X. Okay, so CP X into 5 by 100. Okay, friends. Now CP is X, आप मान सकते हैं. This is say X. Okay, X rupees. Now friends, here 5 1 जा 5, 20 times will get cancelled. So this is 11, friends. 400 is equal to X minus here X by 20, friends. Taking LCM 1 and 20, friends. This is right as it is, left hand side as it is. So this is 20. 20 is divided 1, 20, 20x. So minus this is 21, 1 into x. This is only x. So this could be written as, friends, write down the first. This is 19. Here the cross multiplication, friends. 90x into 1, here 90x. This is 20 multiplied by left hand side 114,000. Now x is equal to 20 multiplied by 11400 divided by 90. Now friends, here 9 1 ja 9, friends. 9 6 ja 114, 2 times is 0. Now x is equal to, friends, 2 6 are 12, 1 2 3, 3 times 0. So now, friends, x is equal to, that means CP is equal to, friends, hence CP is equal to 12,000. So this is answer. Now see, friends, question number 12 says, on selling a calculator for 1,325 rupees, a man gain 6%. Okay, for how much should he sell it to gain 12%? First here, friends, we have to find the here CP, then find the next SP. So in the first case, the SP is given, friends. For first case, SP is given what? SP is equal to, this is 1,325 and gain, friends, this is gain. G for gain, gain is equal to 6%. Okay, first in this case, first we have to find the CP. So this is the first case. Here first we have to find the CP. So now we have to find the SP for the second case, and this will give the answer. Okay, for what? First here find the CP, friends. Here the CP, suppose CP is here. Now friends, see here is gain is here. If there is gain, then it should be here plus. Okay, so this is by mistake, friends. Okay, now here SP is 1 3 2 5, friends. CP is what? X consider. So x into 6 by 100. Okay, so this is x plus, friends, this is 2 3 ja and 2 50 times में. So this is 3x divided by 50, and here is 1 3 2 5. Now friends, this is 1 3 2 5. and this is 50x plus 3x divided by 50. After cross multiplication, friends, we can easily write down this is 50x plus 3x by 1. This is 53x. This is 50 cross multiplication, and 1 3 2 5. So here x is equal to 50 multiplied by 1 3 2 5 divided by, friends, 53. So this will get easy cancelled by 53. Now here, friends, 53 1 ja 53, 25 times will get cancelled. So x is equal to 50 multiplied by 25. So x is equal to 1250. Now x is equal to, friends, CP. So here the CP is, friends, 1250 rupees. Okay. Now, friends, and for the next situation, for the next condition is given that G, gain, once again gain is given. So gain is, friends, 2%, 12%. Then we have to find how much should he sell. That means CP. So CP is what? So SP is what? So we have to move the same situation, friends, as the previous one. Now see, friends, SP find करना. Now SP is equal to, friends, new SP. SP is equal to CP plus this CP, friends, CP multiply by 12%, because here is gain, here should be plus. So SP is equal to, friends, CP is what? 1250 plus 1250 multiply by 12 by this is 100. So 1010 will get cancelled. Okay, friends, 525 times cancel, friend. 5 2 ja and 2 6 ja. So this 1250, and this could be written as, friends, this is 150, because 25 multiplied 6, this is 40 100. So this is your answer. I hope, friends, you will understand. Now next question is, now, friends, see question number 15. Number says Sandeep sold a television at a cost of 8% if he had sold it for 3,360 rupees more. He would have gained 6%. For how much did Sandeep buy it? Friends, let us figure out first. Then write whatever the given. Sandeep sold a television 8% at loss at 8%. Okay, यानी संदीप एक टेलीविजन को बेचता है 8% के लॉस पे. First, here is the given, the two condition is given. First condition is clear, friends. First, from the first condition here we consider the we have to find the CP. Okay, in all over overall. Now let's consider CP of Sandeep is X rupees. Loss is given in the first condition 8%. Okay. Now from here we have to find the SP in terms of X. So SP could be written as, friends, CP minus CP into 8%. Okay. So X minus X, 8 by 100, because percent means out of 100. 4 to your, friends, 425 to cancel. So this is X at is it minus this X into 2x divided by 25. Now, friends, after calculating here the SP, here is SP, friends, this is SP. So this SP is equal to, friends, take the LCM of, here is the 1 and 25 is LCM. So 25 divided by 1, 25 multiplied by x, 25x minus 25 is divided by this 25, 1 multiplied by 2x. Now, friend, SP is equal to 25x minus 2x, 23x divided by 5 as it is. So SP is 23x divided by 5. This is the SP for first case. But if you read the second case, friends, if he had sold it for 3,360 more, अगर वो उसे बेचा होता, अगर उसे बेच दिया होता, कितना में? 3,360 रुपया अधिक में, क्योंकि उसमें कितना में बेचा? अभी इस रुपीस में बेचा, तो इसको लॉस कितना हुआ था? 8%. अब दूसरे स्टेटमेंट कह रहा है, अगर इसे जो इतना में बेचा, इसमें अगर 3,360 रुपया अधिक करके अगर बेचता, तो इसका कितना मुनाफा होगा? फायदा 6% होगा. तो अब ये फॉर सेकंड केस के लिए क्या होगा? फॉर सेकंड केस में मैंने मान लिया गेन कितना? 6% दिया हुआ, फ्रेंड्स. ठीक है. अब इस एसपी में से क्या करना है? अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन वी कैन राइट अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन दिस एसपी प्लस 3,360, बिकॉज द क्वेश्चन is saying that if 3,360 is added, that means more to the previous SP, then Sandeep would benefited by 6% of the CP, because the friends benefit, that means gain or the loss, depends upon CP. ओके अब जब इसमें ऐड करेंगे तो CP का कितना 6% इसका बेनिफिट होगा, तो CP प्लस CP इंटू 6%, 6/100. नाउ फ्रेंड्स दिस इज एज इट इज हेयर, कॉपी SP is given here. Now this is as it is. Now this is CP is x, consider friends x plus x, here's the x into 6/100. So 2 3 friends 6 and 2 15 times will get cancelled. So here friends as it is left hand side, this is x as it is 3 into x, 3x divided by 50. Okay friends, here is as it is left hand side. Now here friends 50x plus 3x, because the 1 is LCM, 1 and 50, we'll take the LCM of 1 and 15 friends, 50 is LCM. Now 50 is divided by 1 over 50, 50 multiplied by this x, 50x, here is plus plus, and this 50 is divided by this 50, this is 1, 1 multiplied by 3x, this is friends 3x. So here friends 50 plus 3x. Now erase friends here. Now next the calculation is here. This is now we are going to write friends, this is left hand side. So the left hand side friends, if you bring friends, this is as it is, bring this right hand side. Okay, now here is the left hand side, 3360 is equal to friends, now this could be 53 friends, 53x divided by 50. Okay, and now minus 23x divided by 25. Take the LCM of 50 and 25 friends, 50 LCM, 50 is divided by this 51, multiply by 23, 23x as it is. Okay, this is minus this divided by 25, 2 multiply with 26, this is 26x. Now friends here is the as it is 3360. Okay, now 3360, 53 minus 4, this is 7x friends divided by 50. Now after cross multiplication, 7x multiplied by 1, this is 7x, this multiply by 50 friends. Now x is equal to here 3360 multiply by 50 divided by friends, here is the 7. Okay, now we will erase the next line. Now here friends this is x, copy as it is. Okay, now I am going to copy. Now I copy as it is, I am copying as it is. Okay, I copied as it is. Now this will get cancelled friends, 7 1 just 7, 7 4 just friends 28, and 7 8 just 56, this is 0. Now x is equal to 480 multiplied by 50. After calculating friends, x is equal to, this is 24, 3 times 0, this is rupees, and the required CP of Sandeep is 24,000. I hope you will understand. Now see friends, question numbers. Now see friends, question number 16 is very interesting question and very easy question. Question number 6 says Pankaj sells 2 cycles for rupees 2376 each. यानी दिस इज द फर्स्ट केस, कह रहा है कि पंकज 2 साइकिल को बेचते हैं. ओके, प्रत्येक साइकिल की सेलिंग प्राइस कितनी है 2376. तो दोनों साइकिल का सेलिंग प्राइस कितना होगा फ्रेंड्स, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे या इसी को 2 बार ऐड कर देंगे. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट ऑन वन ही गेन्स 10%. एक साइकिल को बेचने पे 10% फायदा. ओके, नाउ ऑन दी अदर ही लॉसेस 10%. फाइंड हिज गेन और लॉस परसेंट. So friends, here in this question first we have to find gain or loss. First friends, for write on the first cycle. For the first cycles SP is given here 2376 and G is given 10%. Okay, in the first cycle on the selling of the first cycle and he gains 10%. Okay, now find the, in this case for the first cycle we have to find the CP. Similarly we have find the CP for the second cycle. Okay, now see friends, look at the for the first cycle. So the SP is equal to CP friends, we got 10% is profit, the CP plus CP into 10 by 10%. So CP is X consider. Okay, CP is X consider friends. Okay, X rupees. So this X plus X into 10 by 100 friends, 1010 will get cancelled. So X and X by 10 as it is. Okay, now this is 23. Now take the LCM of 1 and 10 friends. You know how to solve the how to add the fraction friends. Here the 10, here 10x plus x. So this becomes friends 8x by cross multiplication. Here the 11x. So 11x is equal to, this is cross multiplication, this multiply by 3. So friends 11 से will get cancel. ये 11 ये 2376 11 से कट जाएगा कितनी टाइम में 216 multiply by 10 friends 2160. This is the rupees. So this is the selling price of the first cycle, or sorry friends, this is the cost price of this first cycle on selling the rupees 2376. यानी इस रुपीज़ में इसे बेचा जाता है, तो इस साइकिल को ख़रीदने की कितना पैसा लगा फ्रेंड्स 2160. ये कौन. ओके, नाउ फॉर द सेकंड फैशन, फॉर द सेम फैशन फॉर द सेकंड केस फ्रेंड्स, सेकंड साइकिल्स के SP इज गिवन फ्रेंड्स बिकॉज each SP is because the SP of each cycle is 2376. So the SP is for the second cycle is the same. The loss is 10% friends. So the SP consider the CP is y. So the SP could be written as CP minus CP into 10%, 10 by 100. So 0 0 cancel friends. This is y, 1 by 10 here minus y. This is as it is. So take the LCM of 1 and 10. This is 10 LCM. 10y minus y is divided by 10. Now friends this is 10 minus y 9x 9y cross multiplication 9y. ठीक है. ओके, दिस इज 2376 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10 एंड y इज इक्वल टू दिस डिवाइडेड बाई 9. 9 से कैंसिल 264 टाइम्स. सो 264 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10 फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज 2640. सो दिस इज द सेकंड CP ऑफ सेकंड साइकिल. दिस इज द फर्स्ट CP ऑफ फर्स्ट साइकिल. हाउ वी कैन रिकॉग्नाइज फ्रेंड्स, हाउ टू नो आइदर लॉस और गेन. वेरी सिंपल फ्रेंड्स. नाउ एट द लास्ट फ्रेंड्स, इवेंचुअली फर्स्ट फाइंड द टोटल SP. पहले फर्स्ट फाइंड द टोटल CP फ्रेंड्स. टोटल CP here the x plus y. So the x की वैल्यू फ्रेंड्स here the 2160 plus this is y 2640. After adding friends this is 48 2 times 0. So this is the total CP फ्रेंड्स. टोटल CP का मतलब है दोनों साइकिलों की कीमत कितनी है फ्रेंड्स 4800. कीमत नहीं, मतलब दोनों साइकिल को खरीदने में कितना खर्च लगा 4800. ओके, नाउ फ्रेंड्स अब टोटल SP फाइंड करेंगे. SP टोटल SP ऑफ बोथ द साइकिल्स. दोनों साइकिल की SP कितनी होगी फ्रेंड्स 1 ईच साइकिल के SP कितने देगा 2378. तो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. ओके, दिस इज 4000. नाउ फ्रेंड्स दिस इज टोटल. इसका मतलब फ्रेंड्स संदीप ने 2 साइकिल खरीदने में इतना खर्च किया. कितना खर्च किया 4800. और उसे बेचने में कितना, उसको बेचने में तो कितना पैसा है फ्रेंड्स, उसको बेचने में दिस इज 4 7 5 and 2. नाउ फ्रेंड्स once again friends, Sandeep, this is total CP. Sandeep purchased both the cycle for 4800 rupees friends, and Sandeep sells both the cycles for rupees 4752. मीन्स खरीदा ज़्यादा में फ्रेंड्स और बेचा कम में. फ्रेंड्स खरीदने वाली रकम कितनी है ज़्यादा और बेचने वाली रकम कितनी है कम है. तो फ्रेंड्स लॉस होगा या पैदा होगा. हियर इज द SP फ्रेंड्स, हियर द SP लेस देन CP. व्हेन फ्रेंड्स CP इज ग्रेटर देन SP मीन्स लॉस एग्जिस्ट. हियर द लॉस. सो व्हाट लॉस फ्रेंड्स, लॉस इज इक्वल टू CP माइनस SP. CP इज टोटल गिवन 48 2 times 0. SP is given 4752. So this is 48 2 times 0 friends. Now 4752. So this is only 48 friends. Now we can find the percentage loss friends. Loss is 48. We can write the loss multiply by 100 divided by CP. Here loss friends, here loss is given 48 is loss multiply by 100 and this is CP is 48. Now look at the CP friends, 2020 get cancelled. 14 and 14. So the 1% is loss. I hope friends you will understand. Now friends, you solve friends from now friends your homework friends question number 11 to 17. question number friends 11 to 20, because I am not keeping well friends. So we will see the next day next question friends, from question number 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. Okay friends, so please solve from question number 11, question number 17. Okay, and we will see the next question in the next day. Have a nice day.